Hi guys, welcome back to Sean Stitch 2014, and today I'm doing the Vapors Paradise 2026 August construction update. I was just here when it was permanently closed on November 7th? Yep, November 8th. 11 years. Wow. So I want to see what they're doing inside. Oh, they're already starting work. I will be doing the Joanne fabrics soon. So yeah. Oh, I'm so sorry. No, I'm just filming the place. Oh, okay. Sorry about that. They're actually working inside. So I wonder what they're doing. Do you know what this place is gonna be called? By chance? Do you know what this place is gonna be called? I should ask him, like, I wonder what's going in here. Seriously, it was gutted, and now they're just working on it. I don't know, because there's the note on the door. We'll see this building permits. The owner. What does it say? Nothing really. Nothing really closed. South Hanover Vapes. So yeah. Now the door is open, so I do not want to be careful. I don't know what's going in. I know they're going to remove that sign soon. So yeah. I'm not going to be here long, but let's go see what's happening on the other side. God, that scared me. So let's take a look in here. So that's what they're doing. I wonder what they're putting in here. Putting something in here. Construction zone. I don't know what they're putting in here. Let me know in the comments, because I don't know. According to, like, my guess, it's gonna be like no, not a cookie, it's too big. Maybe like in a little ice cream shop, like a homemade ice cream shop. Maybe Dairy Dan opening his own stand. I don't know. I might be assuming, yeah, because the door is open. And I don't know, right here on the carpet. Vape 7 days. I don't know what that means, but I don't know if that's what's moving in or not. So yeah. Alright, I will do a video over there, and at Joanne's and at Norman's. So I just wanted to do a quick update. I think it's gonna, over there, I don't know what that is, but anyway guys, thank you for watching this video at the Vapors Paradise August 2025 update in Hanover, PA. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe, and for all you adults watching this, South Hanover Vapes is down there. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like it, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye.